Hi everyone! Welcome to the first day of America Scores Summer Camp! Woo!
Yay!
I'm Coach Amy. This is
Auburn.
and Elle
And Bunny.
and Bunny. And today we're making nature dream catchers. Okay, to make your dream catchers you will need sticks, leaves, and maybe some pine cones.
Or
acorns or flowers, anything outdoorsy that you find. And string. And you can find your string or yarn inside your activity kit. So you start by connecting your sticks with a knot, and then we can just wrap your string around the stick. Wrap it in every direction until it feels secure. Like that.
And if you need to, you could ask a grown-up for help.
Yes. You have all 3 sticks tied together like this. You're going to tie a knot of your string, just like that. And then you can start making designs.